Let's learn the names of domestic animals. Kids, are you ready? Let's go! This is a cow. Cows live on farms. They give us milk to drink. Farmers take care of them every day. Meet the dog. Dogs are friendly pets. They guard our homes and love to play with us. Here is a soft cat. Cats like to sleep a lot. They also chase mice around the house. Sheep have fluffy wool. Sheep live on farms and stay together. Their wool is used to make clothes. This is a strong horse. Horses can carry people. They live in stables and love to run. Hens are birds that live on farms. They lay eggs we can eat. They have feathers and a red comb on their head. Rabbits have soft fur and long ears. Rabbits can hop fast and dig in the ground. They like to eat carrots and green leaves. Roosters are male chickens with bright feathers. They have a red comb on their head. They are strong and protect the hens. Goats have short hair and horns. They like to eat grass and leaves. Goats can climb hills and jump well. Buffaloes are big animals with strong bodies and curved horns. Buffaloes live on farms and help in the fields. Fish live in water and have gills to breathe. They have fins to swim and scales on their bodies. Fish come in many colors and sizes. This is a tortoise. Tortoises have a hard shell and walk slowly. They eat plants and can live many years. Parrots have bright, colorful feathers. They can copy sounds and sometimes talk. Parrots like to eat seeds and fruits. Pigeons have soft feathers and can fly high in the sky. They like to eat grains and seeds. Pigeons are gentle birds and often live near people. Ducks have feathers, a flat beak, and webbed feet. They can swim in water and walk on land. Doves are gentle birds with soft feathers. Doves like to eat seeds and grains. They are a symbol of peace. This is a hamster. Hamsters are small, furry animals with short tails. They like to store food in their cheeks. Hedgehogs have small bodies covered with sharp spines. Hedgehogs are gentle and like to eat insects and fruits. Rats have small bodies, long tails, and sharp teeth. They are quick and can run into tiny spaces. Squirrels have bushy tails and sharp claws. They like to eat nuts, fruits, and seeds. Squirrels can climb trees quickly and jump from branch to branch. Donkeys have strong bodies and long ears. They help carry loads and pull carts. Donkeys are gentle and live on farms. Camels have long legs and a hump on their back. They can walk far in the desert without water. Elephants have large ears and a long trunk. They are smart, gentle, and can help with heavy work. Lovebirds are small, colorful parrots. They like to stay in pairs and are very playful. Lovebirds eat seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Peacocks have colorful feathers and a long, beautiful tail. They can spread their tail like a fan to show off their colors. This is an ox. Oxen are strong animals with horns. They help plow fields and pull heavy carts. This is an ostrich. Ostriches are large birds with long legs and necks. They cannot fly, but can run very fast. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and learning videos.